So how to start a profitable online business in 2025 as a complete beginner. So in this training video, I want to break it all down for you, okay? Let's say if you are brand new, but if you want to launch your first online business, what elements you should have in place. I also want to show you what product you should pick in order to make maximum amount of profit, all right? So you can quickly launch your online business, make your first sale, then step by step, scale it to your first $1 million online, okay? So I just got this award, right? You can see $1 million generated, okay? So make sure if you haven't followed my channel yet, hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out any of my future training videos. Because on this channel, I share all my strategies with my audience to show them exactly what I do to make money online. Now, before I show you the entire process, right, I want to get this idea across to you. Let's say you want to open up a business. Basically, you need three things, okay? Make sure you have these three things. Number one, you need to have a product, right? You got to have a product that you can sell, okay? Number two, you need traffic. Traffic means people walk through your store, then walk into your store to check out your product, right? Number three thing you will need is your sales process. Let's say now you know how to get people walking on the street, come into your store to check out your product. What's your sales process to turn that visitor, that lead, into a paying customer? Okay, so three things if you want to launch your business. So let me show you this, right? Three things: product, leads, and also your sales process. Okay, now let's talk about product first. If you're brand new, what's the best product you can sell right now? A lot of people, they think, okay, I need to sell something on Amazon, right? Like e-commerce, which means I maybe import product from China, or I purchase product from a supplier, then I put it on my online store, right? And sell it, okay? Make money by doing that. You could do that, but that's actually a hard way. I want to show you this research data. Whatever business you want to do, right? The easiest way for you to find your success is to tap into the market trend, okay? Because the market trend already tells you what product people are buying like crazy right now. If I start from scratch, I want to tap into that trend in order to quickly make that income to scale my business, okay? So here is the market research data. I want to talk about digital marketing courses. You probably see people who are selling and promoting digital courses online, right? There are all kinds of courses that you can sell, you can promote as an affiliate marketer. You partner up with the product vendor, then you promote their already successful product. That's one way to do it. Or you create your own. So this is the market research data, right? The forecast between 2025 to 2029, okay? So for the next 4 years, starting right now, okay? So the market is experiencing significant growth, okay? So the market is booming. Check this out. From 2019, this is the market size. You can see growing like crazy. The growth is about 16% between 2024 to 2029. Right now, year over year growth rate is about 13.6%. This is a hot market right now. So tap into that. So the key is to find the digital course that you can sell or you can promote. Okay. Now going back to this document, three things: find the digital course, digital product that you can promote. Our students who are inside our pub digital course, congratulations, you have a proven to sell product that you don't have to create. If you want to check it out, if you are not inside our pub program, I'm going to put the link down below. Okay, you can click on it, check it out yourself, and see if this can help you. Okay, so basically, pub is my digital marketing course. Okay, and this is a new course that me and Nathan, my business partner, just launched a few months ago. And within just a few months of time, let me show you this. We already generated over $144,000. This is a hot trending product right now. Okay, and what's amazing is that when people pick up pub, not only they go through the training, they know how to put everything together, they also own the reseller license to resell pub digital course as their own. What does that mean? It means when their prospects, their leads purchase pub from them, they keep 100% of the payments. Imagine this. You have a product that you don't have to create. That product is proven to sell in the marketplace right now. You simply resell that product as your own and you keep 100% of the profits from the payment that people buy from you. Let's say you already have a product, okay? Whether that's pub or whatever product you pick up, you want to sell, what's the next step? Pay attention to this, okay? Number one thing, right? You need to have a payment gateway hookup. This are breakdown into three simple website pages. So number one, you got to have a payment gateway set up, which is on your order page. For example, if I go to your online store, right? I want to buy this product from you. How can you process my credit card payment? I want to pay right now. So you need to either use PayPal, Stripe, Square, right? There are so many payment gateways out there, right? You need to pick one and set it up on your order page. So when visitor like myself visit your online store ready to buy, you have a way to take my payment. Does that make sense? Number two thing you need to set up is your landing page, which means your storefront, right? So you got to set up your landing page, and that landing page will help you capture your visitors' emails. So important, okay? A lot of beginners messed up this step. There are so many products out there you can pick up and promote, okay? Some product pay you 10%, 20% commissions from the sale, right? If you promote that product. Some product give you as much as 100%, for example, POP, digital course, right? But here's the concept. Let's say you start learning how to drive traffic, driving people to visit your store, right? If this is a brand new visitor, right? Let's say this prospect, he doesn't know your product before, okay? He doesn't know your brand. He doesn't know who you are, right? This is in the marketing world. Usually, a brand new cold prospect, they need to be exposed to your brand and your offer about 6 to 7 times before they buy. A lot of beginners, they made this mistake is that after they pick a product to promote, all they focus on is to promote their affiliate link, which means sending the traffic that they get from social media to the product vendor directly. Some people from their audience will buy. Let me tell you, if you just send people directly to product vendor through your affiliate link without collecting their emails, if people don't buy, you lose the contact with that visitor. Does that make sense? But if you have a system that can help you capture emails, your email system will do the follow-up for you, okay? Because once I get people's email, I already set up my email sequence. Basically, I have different emails, right? Will go out on certain time without me touching it, okay? So people visit my store, even if they don't buy, but they put in their email. My automated sales system will kick in, okay? We'll send them valuable email, give them more tip, talk about more product, talk about the benefits, right? Day after day without me touching it, okay? Then once they get nurtured through the sequence, right? People gonna buy at different time without me even be inside this process. Everything is done by automation. Number 2 thing, you need to have a landing page that can help you capture people's email, okay? Number 3 thing, you got to have a presentation, right? To talk about your product, talk about the course that you are selling. And this is what I call it webinar page. For you to launch your own digital course business, you got to have a product. Once you have a product, you need to set up 3 pages. Number 1 is landing page. So you collect people's email. Number 2 is your presentation page. So people can see what your offer is about. Once they like the offer, they're going to want to purchase the offer. Number 3, you need to have an order page connected to your payment gateway so you can take the payment. For people who are inside our pub, let me just show you my example, okay? So this is my pub funnel. All these 3 things added together, right? This is what we call funnel, okay? In the industry, you probably hear people talk about funnel, right? A lot. This is also called website, okay? So this is my funnel to sell pub. This is the landing page. I say, hey, I'm going to give you a free training, show you a 3-step system, how people can use it to earn 100% commissions online and also build up passive recurring income without creating product or needing any tech skills. I also give people a free bonus. So if you are not inside Pop yet, I'm going to put the link down below. When you visit that page, put in your email. I'm going to send you a free course, okay? You can see all the steps, right, in more details, completely for free, okay? Check out the free course and see if this is the business you want to do. So anyway, this is my landing page. Right? Landing page. So when people put in their email, right? That email goes into my automated follow-up system. Then they go to the second page automatically. On the second page, I give them a presentation to talk about the program, talk about the course, right? Talk about how they can start generating additional money using this business model. If they watch the training, they like it, they decide to move further, then they can click on this button, which will go to my order form page. Then on my order form page, I have my payment gateway set up that I can take credit card payment. It's so simple, just 3 pages, then boom, you have your online business ready to go. If you are our pub student, right? If you are brand new, okay, I want to show you how you can get this done very quickly. So inside pub, when you go to our classroom, right? You're going to start from this quick start guide. Just start from here before you move on to any other modules. So you start from this quick start guide, get your online business set up because you need to have your online business set up before we go out there to drive traffic, bring in visitors to visit your store, right? Before we work on your sales process, okay? This is also what we call sales conversion. Some people call it sales closing. So we got to have your funnel ready so you can launch your online business before we learn how to convert that traffic into paying customers, okay? So this is your very first step. I want to show you how you can get this done. Some people get it done within an hour, okay? But you can get this done in 2-3 days. Go to classroom inside our pub. Go to this quick start guide. So in here, if you are inside pub, I need you to watch this couple training, okay? Especially watch this before selling. So inside pub, we have 3 recommendations. Basically 3 different softwares for you to use in order to build out these 3 pages, right? We are talking about, okay? So here are 3 options. You can use any one of these 3 options, okay? Number 1 is the Funnel Freedom software. This one is the paid software, okay? Second option is Systeme.io software. This one is completely free. The third option, some digital product sellers, they like to use Stand Store, right? This is another paid software, okay? So check out this video, right? I break down all the pros and cons in between all these different different softwares. Then make your own choice to see if you want to use Funnel Freedom, or you want to use Systeme.io, or you want to use Stand Store. Any one of these three will work perfectly. So let's say if I want to use Funnel Freedom, then I click on Funnel Freedom, follow this training, okay? All the designs, right, already done for you, okay? You just need to follow the training, import the done for you funnel, right? Add the product, connect it to your own payment gateway so you can take orders. Just follow the training step by step. Then boom, you have your online store launched. If you want to use Systeme.io, same thing, okay? Follow the training inside Systeme.io, import our done for you funnel templates, then connect it to your own payment gateway. Just do it step by step to set it up. We have students set up everything within an hour. We also have students set it up, takes them like 2-3 days to get it done, okay? But if you are brand new, if you just got started, get your online business, which is your funnel, set up, okay, and launch it this week. So once you have that done, then we can start working on how to generate traffic online, okay? So once you have your online business open, launched, your funnel is live. Now you're gonna learn how to get targeted leads, how to get targeted people to visit your funnel. When they visit your funnel, right, you're gonna have this beautiful form to collect their emails. So once they put in their emails, they're gonna see the presentation video. If they like it, they will buy it through you. Let's say this is a brand new lead, right? It didn't get exposed to my brand or my offer before. So we need more time to nurture this lead. But because they put in their email already, so my automated follow-up system will be sending emails to this lead without me being around, okay? So this lead get nurtured over time on autopilot. At some point, once they know me, my story, my offer enough, then they will buy. So you're gonna learn how to get targeted people to visit your funnel. So you collect their emails. So your automated sales process can do most of the heavy lifting for you. So this section is actually what we train our students, okay, inside Pop. Okay, inside Pop. Don't jump around, okay? You don't need to worry about how to drive people to visit your store if you don't even have a store, okay? That's why if you are brand new, you want to start from here, get your funnel set up before you start with other training that we teach you how to get people to visit your funnel. Once you master this, right, inside our Pop program, we also teach you how to close sales. You have two options. For our Pop members, they have two options, okay? First option, right, you can take orders through your own funnel, the one that we just set up by going through this module, okay? So once you set it up, people visit your store, right? You can take orders by yourself. When you do that, you make 100% of the commissions because people pay you, they don't pay me. They go to your order form, they swipe their card through your payment gateway, and that payment goes to you. 100% of that payment goes to you, okay? So that's how you make 100% of the profits on every single sale from a product that you don't even have to create. You also have option number 2, okay? Option number 2. This is the benefit for our Pop students. You can also borrow our sales team. This is optional, okay? But if you want, you can borrow our sales team. What does that mean? It means that once you know how to drive traffic, bring in visitors to visit your offer, visit your online store, right? You can also send them to book a call with our sales team, okay? Our sales team will jump on the call with your prospect on your behalf. Then we will talk to the prospect, we will answer their questions, and we will close sales for you without you lifting a finger. When we do that, okay, because we do have a sales team, we have to pay. If you want to borrow our sales team, then when we close sales for you, we share 50-50, okay? So you walk away with 50% of the sale without you actually jumping on the call with your prospect yourself. We take care of the sales process for you, okay? We close sales for you. You walk away with 50% of the profit from the sale. All right, so you have two options. Make 100% by you taking the order by yourself through your funnel. Or you can also have your prospect to book a call with our sales team. Then we close sales for you. When we do that, we share the sale 50-50, okay? You have both options. You can use it in different situations. If you want to check out Pop, if you are not inside Pop yet, click the link in the video description. You can check it out because this week I'm running an amazing bonus to a limited number of people. So check it out and see if this can help you. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to message me or comment down below. Then I'll get back to you with more clarity in my next training video. All right, I see you guys in my next training videos. Let's go.